Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change language in Roblox. Changing the language in Roblox is simple and only takes a few steps, so follow this quick guide to set your preferred language. First, open up the Roblox application on your mobile device and from the home page after logging in, tap on More at the bottom right. From the More menu, go ahead and look for the Settings button and tap on that. From the Settings menu, go ahead and tap on Account Info. Scroll down to Language option and tap on the drop-down. Now, select the language of your preference from the list, and right after you do that, this will restart the Roblox application on your selected language. You can always repeat this step and look for the language option and switch back to your preferred language anytime you want. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.